everyone, I'm Rakhi and in this session I'm going to discuss question number 24 and it's on page number 226 of chapter number 7, Equilibrium. So let's see what the question is and then we'll follow for the solution. So the question is, calculate number A, delta G naught. What is delta G naught? It's change in free energy. And number B, the equilibrium constant for the formation of NO2 from NO and O2 at 298 Kelvin. Okay, and this is the reaction given to us. Equilibrium constant को तो पता ही है ना क्या होता है. Equilibrium constant is Kc over here. Now this is the reaction which is given to us. NO in the gaseous state plus half O2 in the gaseous state, which is in equilibrium with NO2 in the gaseous state. Now we are given with that change in free energy for the formation of NO2 is equals to 52.0 kilojoule per mole. Change in free energy for the formation of NO is equals to 87.0 kilojoule per mole, and change in free energy for the formation of oxygen is equals to 0 kilojoule per mole. So first of all, let's begin with solution of part A of this question. Part A. See, for the given reaction, we need to calculate what? Delta G naught. So for the given reaction, delta G naught is equals to delta G naught of the products minus delta G naught of the reactants. Correct? Now delta G naught for the products के अंदर क्या है हमारा only NO2, so it will be 52.0 minus within bracket. For the reactant we are having NO and O2. ठीक है, तो value of NO, that means what value? Change in free energy for the formation of NO is equals to 87.0 and for oxygen it is 0 only. ठीक है, and the unit would be kilojoule per mole. Okay, so the answer would be minus 35.0 kilojoule per mole. Hence, for the first part of the question, that means change in free energy of the reaction is equals to minus 35.0 kilojoule per mole. Moving further for the second part of the question, I'm solving over here. See, we all know that what we know? Delta G naught is equals to minus RT ln Kc. Okay, ये हमारे पास एक हमारी इक्वेशन है. इसको फर्दर अगर हम करें तो it becomes delta G naught is equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. यहाँ तक आप प्लीज लिख लीजिए. I will be moving further to solve this part of the question. That means part B. पता तो चल गया होगा आपको कि इट इज डेल्टा जी नॉट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस RT, यस, minus 2.303 RT log Kc. यहां तक हम पहुंच चुके थे. हमें डेल्टा जी नॉट की वैल्यू पता चल गई बिकॉज हमने पार्ट ए में निकाला था. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा जी नॉट? माइनस 35.0 किलो जूल पर मोल. अभी यूनिट्स को हटाते हैं. ठीक है, वो वैसे भी कैंसिल आउट होनी है. माइनस 2.303 इंटू आर. ठीक है, तो आर की हम कौन सी वैल्यू निकालेंगे? इट इज 8.314. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर गिवन टू अस? इट इज 298. ओके, एंड लॉग Kc. ओके, यहां तक पहुंच गए. नाउ लॉग Kc क्या होगा? ये माइनस से ये माइनस कैंसल आउट. लॉग Kc वुड बी 35.0 divided by 2.303 into 8.314 into 298. ठीक है, तो जब आप इसकी यूनिट कन्वर्जन करेंगे और सब कुछ करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली, योर आंसर वुड बी 6.134. ठीक है, सो लॉग Kc का जो वैल्यू आया है वो आया है 6.134 एंड Kc वुड बी एंटी लॉग ऑफ व्हाट? 6.134. ठीक है, नाउ एंटी लॉग की जब वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा फॉर द Kc it is equals to 1.36 into 10 raised to power 6. And what is Kc? It is the equilibrium constant for the formation of NO2. So the equilibrium constant for the formation of NO2, that means Kc, is equals to 1.36 into 10 raised to power 6. Fine, and this was all about this question. And it's me, Rakhi, saying you all goodbye.